diners, drive-ins, and dives, DeVoe style. I'm Kaitlyn and I'm here at Pastrami Dan's. We're gonna go inside to see if this place really lives up to what it says it is. The best pastrami sandwich in Southwest Florida. And you know what, I bet you they're right. So let's go meet Dan. I'm excited. I've never had a pastrami sandwich before, and I have a feeling I'm about to have the best pastrami sandwich of my life. All right, so is Dan in here?
Yes,
there he is. How you doing, Dan?
Very
good to see you. Great, great. So, tell me about Pastrami Dan.
This is it. This is the place. The best pastrami
in Naples.
Well, no, I think the United States.
I think it's probably in the world.
In the world, I think. But yeah, I've been here a long time, 45 years.
All
I'm
right.
from Connecticut, Greenwich, Connecticut, near the city, so suburb of the city.
Gotcha.
So my dad knew a little bit about the food industry.
So you're Dan. Was your dad Dan?
Yeah, he was
too?
Dan, yeah.
Okay.
My son is, middle name is Dan, so we got a lot of
Nicholas
names.
Daniel. We were trying to break
Like George
the cycle
Foreman, you know, they're all Georges.
Gotcha. And tell me your name?
Beth.
Beth. And you are?
I am Dan's wife.
All right, so you're married. Very nice.
Yeah, Teresa over there.
Awesome. Hey there, how are you?
My son, he'll be here soon, but
Okay.
you know how kids are.
Gotcha, I understand.
Yeah, we do a lot of local business. We do a lot of seasonal too, but locals are our big thing.
I hear that when you come over here, you've got lines out the door.
Well,
to get a pastrami
not this
sandwich.
year.
I know with COVID.
But
How have you
normally
guys
in the
been
season we're
coping?
packed. Yeah.
Yeah?
We're always packed. Oh yeah. Even in the summer it's pretty busy. But the season, yeah, that's the biggest
This
time.
last season definitely got hit a little bit.
Yeah, yeah.
We're back up and running.
Yeah, we're
We've been
doing
closed
good.
for 3 weeks just
Okay.
to kind of get our footing and figure out what was going on.
Got it.
And then we came back and the locals have been great. There still are a lot of seasonals here that never went back up north. They decided to stay because the numbers were a little lower here than where they were from. So now we're trying to play catch up.
Right.
See what next year does. Hopefully it's going to be a good one. But yeah, we've always had a great business. And like I say, the customers are number one with us because they love us and we love them. We have so many good customers, right?
I love that. It's the family business, you know?
One of our most
local.
steady is Mark DeVoe.
Yeah.
From DeVoe Academy.
All right, Mark,
He
you
is
can
here
pastrami
every
sandwiches.
Saturday.
11
And if
o'clock.
he can't make Saturday, he comes midweek.
I love
That's
it.
his table right back there. We have a special table for him.
Mark has a table
He
here at
does,
Pastrami
right?
Dan.
Every time he takes that
Mark
table.
has his own special taco.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
He is crazy about all the lacing of the cheese around the edges.
All
And
right.
we get people coming in and say, give me a Mark DeVoe taco.
Yeah.
Oh, stop. That's
put it
so
on the
funny.
menu.
I love it.
Put it on the
But you
menu.
know what? That is the beauty of having locally owned businesses,
Yeah.
locals coming, and businesses supporting other businesses.
Right.
We're at DeVoe Automotive, and we're supporting local businesses like Pastrami Dan in this time of really the unknown right now.
it is
You know,
unknown.
we don't know what's going to be happening, so we want to keep the economy rolling,
Exactly.
keep Southwest Florida rolling, and we're going to be doing that by whenever someone comes in and purchases a car from DeVoe, we're going to give them a $200 gift card to locally owned businesses like Pastrami Dan, so you can come in and get as many sandwiches as you want with that $200 gift card. But can I jump back behind the counter and see what happens, what goes on over here?
Well, it's not.
There's not a lot going on.
Not
I got
going on
here
yet because
early.
it's kind of early.
It's
but
early,
this
so
is
they're still prepping. So
this
we
is
got
where
lots of stuff
this is
going
where we
on.
steam the pastrami.
Steaming the pastrami, all right.
Okay,
Got some pickles and mustard back here.
You want to come back here?
Yeah, come on back. Come on.
If you want. Yeah, can you? Is she still on it?
Yeah, she is. She's gonna just keep rolling, I think.
You want to keep rolling? Okay.
Yeah. So what we got going on over
And
here?
this is where we grill the tacos. This is all our.
So this is where you make the Mark DeVoe taco,
Mark DeVoe taco.
right here. All right.
Tortillas. There's your cheese, your lettuce, your hot sauce.
I love it.
Here's the meat in here. You can see
Oh,
it.
it smells. I
Part of it.
wish. Here's what I wish. I wish that there was a technology where you could smell what I'm smelling in here because it smells delicious when you walk in this room. Oh my
Right
goodness.
now we have a roast beef cooking.
Wow.
Choice taco.
That looks amazing.
Yeah, we use that for the sandwiches. That's the roast beef. Pastrami,
okay.
you want to come over here?
All right. You're getting the behind the scenes look over here at Pastrami
This
Dan.
is the chili.
Oh, that smells
Just
delicious.
Make that fresh here. This is the gravy for the roast beef, and here's the pastrami.
Oh my
See how
gosh.
good that looks?
That looks
We use the
amazing.
navel, which is the best cut.
Wow.
The plate, the navel, yeah. It's the
Got
best
it.
cut of pastrami.
All right. I love it. I love it. And this is, like you said, been family owned and operated forever since the beginning of time. Now, did you ever ask your dad, like, you know, what made him open a pastrami restaurant?
His uncle had a restaurant in Connecticut called Monero Steakhouse, and it's gone now. And he just got the idea from that, and pastrami, New York sandwiches, and it worked out fantastic. And we were busy in
He had
Greenwich.
the concept.
We were super busy there.
And Dan's mother, Rose, who we lost a couple years ago, she actually had the ideas to keep it going and did the recipes and perfected everything.
Rose,
so
I
God
should
bless
say that.
Rose.
She was a big factor.
She was huge.
She was
So
big.
Dan's the name on the sign, but Rose was the heart behind the operation.
Both of them. Both of
They
them.
both.
Yeah, they both. You know, you got to have a
family to run it, yeah.
husband and wife.
Yep, it's a team effort.
Best way to do it.
That chili is looking like it's going to be so good.
Oh, you're going to have some.
Well, I can't wait to try this out. Thank you, Dan, so much.
Yeah, thank
for,
you. Thank you for
having
coming
us,
in
and we hope that, you know.
supporting all of us. It's great to do that. Yeah, it's very nice of you guys.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Again, if you purchase a car at DeVoe Automotive, we're going to give you a $200 gift card to spend at any locally owned Southwest Florida restaurant or business. Like here at Pastrami Dan's, if this is your favorite spot, you can get a gift card to come in and have yourself a great sandwich or taco.
Or a taco or a roast beef.
Or roast beef.
They're going to love it.
All that good stuff. So we're super excited to be helping local Southwest Florida businesses here at DeVoe Automotive.